Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's car vlog we're taking a bit chill. By the looks of it, you guys really like Audi videos, so we're going to be installing splitter for the A7, so we're going to show you that. We also need to wash the cars so we can get nice photos to submit them to shows of the year, for the applications basically, because I have not applied to anything. Not that my car's show car, but it's worth a try anyway to have it at least for the business and stuff like that. But yeah, I know I haven't posted a video in a while. To be honest, there's like 4 videos in the middle of being filmed and stuff has gone wrong. We didn't have the parts to finish it. So hopefully this is going to be a straightforward vlog. Fingers crossed, and hopefully it makes it onto YouTube, because I'm not joking, there's like 3 or 4 videos that I've started. So yeah, stay tuned.
This one's compared to the black one. Oh shit.
7 hours later.
Provisionally, we're taking this off. I'm gonna lower it, see if we're happy with it. So there's 3 screws in so far, and then we're gonna drop it down, see what it looks like, and then we've to take it off to take off those that red tape that we had on. But so far it looks so good. Wow. Wow. So sexual.
So you have like a bulging vein of... So
that's exactly how many you need.
Shout out to Screwfix for supplying self tappers. The bolts and nuts that they give you from Maxton are shite, and I recommend you do this with them. And I pick up these in Screwfix. They're only a tenner, you get 200. So there's 200 going on this, not 40. If you need that one.
So guys, that's a wrap. The Audi A7 has a splitter on, an easy mod. Thank God we're actually finishing a video, so this will actually see YouTube. But yeah, I think the main takeaway is put as many self-tappers on as possible. As you can see, this one is not going anywhere. It's solid and it looks amazing. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!